Hi, Diana Wiener from Sullivan Renaissance, and this is your 3 minutes in the garden. Today we're going to prune blueberries. The blueberry bushes that are here were planted about 20 years ago. They really need to be rejuvenated. We're getting less and less fruit. So I usually come in about this time of year, March, April, even late April, and start cutting them before new growth starts. There's two different varieties of blueberries bushes here. We have Blue Crop and Patriot. So we do get a long season starting about the 4th of July and ending about the third week in August. So to rejuvenate, you want to find the oldest stem in the blueberry patch, and you want to cut it down to about 12 to 18 inches. And you can see I've done this in the past with this particular bush, so you could see new growth coming here and sprouting up. If you look at this bush, you can see the same thing. I cut it here, and it's responding. This one is actually responding from way down low, which is great. And it is an outer branch. It will get lots of light, lots of fruit. In time, I will come in and cut this one back down, this one back down, and this one back down as I rejuvenate year after year, coming in and taking a big branch off. So today, let's do just that. And we're going to come in and let's go to this really tall one that I showed you at first. We have this really big, long branch, not very productive. So I'm going to go about, 12 inches. Ow! And I'm going to hit our videographer. You'll also notice that we have wood shavings around the base of the shrubs. That does help to keep weeds down. It also helps to acidify the soil. Blueberries, like azaleas and rhododendrons, are ericaceous, meaning that they like acid soil between 4.5 pH and 5.5. That helps to keep the pH down and condition the soil, adding to its tilth. So here's our blueberry patch. I hope you'll consider having one yourself. Have a great day and keep gardening.